Okay, check this out. I am got my camera mounted on this little tiny servo thingy here. It's a webcam mounted on a pan and tilt setup. So I can turn it up and I can push it down like that. And the camera is running in through the camera is running in. It's really jumpy right now, but you can see the camera's actually working. It doesn't look happy. Look at that camera. And let's see if I can spin it around and get my picture. Let's get it. Go up like that, and no, little too high. Oh man, trying to get it over here, right about there should be me. So let's see if I can get it. There I am, right there. Face tracking. All right, there we go. I'm on to something, aren't we? Oh, I see you're excited, little pan and tilt monster. It's like an earthquake. Ah! If I put it down, it'll stop moving. And when I touch it, it says, "Don't touch me." So this is the beginning of an experiment. Looks like it's working. Thanks for watching. Let's take a closer look. Wait, before you go, let's take a closer look. And this is what it is. This is my little, I'm using potentiometers to control my little camera. It's a very shabby connection. I should be ashamed for doing it like this, but I'm not. I just wanted to see it work. Proof of concept, it works. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.